We got our new wand today. See if we can put it together. Don't think we'll get to try it out. Kind of dark and gray and rainy again today. We'll get it ready for next week. Alright, it's together. Nice new tip. But, as I figured, can't couple that to that hose. Need a new fitting or something. The hose is old enough. I think I'll just get a couple of 100 feet of new hose. It's too short anyways. Alright. That's where I'll be getting my hose and stuff. Great place. See you soon. We got our hose, all our fittings, hopefully they're the right ones. Our new wand, let's put it together and see if it works. Oh, of course, the important coffee. Well, there it is. It all works, no leaks, everything good. Even fixed Mr. Leak that was up here, dripping all over my spare tire and broom handles. I think we're good to go. All in all, 160 feet of hose, new wand, trigger, fittings, about a $900 deal. But all for the good, I hope. And yeah, told everybody we're not working today because it was crappy out, and well, turned out to be a beautiful day after all.